See about the curves and the polygons. Now we will see about the angles. If one line is drawn, one ray is drawn, and by joining the same ray, if we draw the another ray, then it is a angle and having the common vertex. If it is a one point, then it is called a vertex. And joining the two rays making an angle, it is a vertex. And whenever we give the name to the angle, it is denoted by the capital letter or small letter. And here is the angle we have noted with the letter LMN. But whenever we write it as an angle, we use the symbol angle. Then, if we are using this symbol of an angle, then your middle letter is your vertex. You can say it as angle LMN. Remember one thing, that your vertex should be in middle. Angle MNL. It is wrong as your vertex is not in middle. So this will be wrong. Whenever you write the angle, your vertex should be in middle. So this is your angles. There are lot many examples for the angles. The two hands of the clock. Then in your book also they have given a car and its cover, upper cover, bolt, we can say that is also forming an angle. Then your two adjoining fingers are the angles. Lot many examples are there for the angles. Then now we have to see about the interior of the angle. Now if I draw a angle using these two rays, then the inner part of this rays, the inner part of this rays are called the interior. I'm saying inner part, it doesn't mean only till this lines, as it is a ray, so it will extend, so all this part will also be in the interior. If a ray extends, then the inner part here, it will not turn up. So these are your inner part, and inner part is the interior. If I have taken this angle, it's not compulsory that we will draw in the same way. This is your angle. If I give a point here, just a second, I have to give the point. And I give a name to this point as A. So this A point is in the interior of the angle X, Y, Z. It is in the interior. Interior, it doesn't mean that it should be in these two lines only. It is in the interior part as the line can extend. If the line will be extending, then it will be in the interior. So it is the interior of the angle XYZ. Then exterior, outer. This will be the exterior point as it is outside. As it is outside, this will be your all exterior part. This is the exterior part. Here, whichever point is there, that is in your exterior. Exterior, outer, interior, inner. And then on the angle. So for on the angle, it should be on the boundary. If this point is there, then point C is on the boundary of the angle, so it is on the boundary, means on the angle. If it is inner, it is interior. If it is outer, it is exterior. If it is on the boundary, then it is on the angle. Then one important thing is there, that the interior part, whole interior part, if this is your interior part, then the interior part and your interior part as well as the boundary, both the thing is called as a region. The points which are on the boundary and the interior part, then it is called the region. These are your important things. Now we will conclude. We will see the exercise. That is exercise 4.3. Give three examples of angle from your environment. Choice is yours. What you want to write? You can write two hands of a clock. You can write two adjoining figures, or you can write two arms of a divider. Depends on it what you want to write. Then the next question, that find out the incorrect statement. They have given a figure and we have to find out the incorrect statement. First statement. An angle is formed when the angle is forming two rays with a common end point. Yes, the angle is formed when we use the two rays having a common end point. So this is a correct statement. So this is correct. You can write in front of it correct, as we have to write which are incorrect. So this will be correct. Then two segment with the common end point. Yes, that can be also forming an angle. So that is also correct. Then the third one, a ray and a segment with a common end point. Yes, that can also form a angle. It is not compulsory that both the rays should be there. So all these three statements are correct. Then the B. In the B, it is asked the angles XYZ. Angle XYZ can also be written as angle XYZ. Just now I said that. First statement, definitely it is correct, angle XYZ. Second will be, let me see that whether the figure is given here. Figure is given. So as I said that your vertex should be in the middle. So you can write XYZ or ZYX. Your middle letter will be the vertex. So that is also correct. First one is also correct. Then angle Y. Yes, you can write angle Y also just with the single letter. That is the vertex. You can't write angle Z or angle X. You have to mention it with the vertex, so that will be angle Y. That is correct. Then the last one is angle ZXY. Here your vertex is not in center, so it is wrong. It is incorrect. So your last one is incorrect. Then the next question is the vertex of an angle in the interior? They have asked us about the vertex, that whether the vertex is in the interior. No, it is not. The vertex of an angle is not in the interior. Then the next question, that is true or false. First statement, E is the vertex of angle DEF. Yes, E is the vertex. So you can write true. Then FE is the side of angle DEF. FE. Yes, it is a side. You can say that it is a side. Then angle DEF can be called angle E. Yes, that is also true. So this is also true. This is also true. Then ED is the side of the angle. Yes. Sorry. ED is the side of the angle. All the statements are true. Then the next question. Use three letters to name each of the angle. This you are going to do it, as it is very easy. As I said that you have to start from the any of the side, but what is important, that your vertex should be in the middle. And they said don't write angle B, angle S, angle H. They said using the three letter. So using the three letter, it means first will be your angle A, B, C, then angle T, F, R. In this way you are going to write it. This you are going to do it by yourself. Then the next question, 14th question, use three letters to name each angle. You have to use the three letter to name the angle. So first there are the three angles. So which are that angles? First angle is angle angle RSU. It is your first, then angle RST, then angle TSU. This will be your three angles using the three letters. Then the next question, why can't you use angle S to name one of the angle? On writing one of the angle S as angle S means any of the angle mentioned in part A, because that is the reason why we can't write that. On writing one of the angle as angle S means any of the part. It can be angle RTS, it can be angle TSU, it can be angle RSU, it can be any angle. So only by writing angle S we can't mention exactly which angle we are saying. Then the next question, 15th question, that is angle R is called an angle of the triangle. Name the other angle of the triangle. Angle R is an angle of the triangle. Here is angle. Here is your angle R. Yes, angle R is the one of the angle. Other angles can be angle S, angle T. You can write it angle S, angle T. Then the last question. In the given diagram, name the points. Here the diagram is given, and by using that diagram we have to write the interior, exterior and as well as on the angle. So first, interior, they have asked about the interior of angle DOE. So you have to first of all search where is the angle DOE. Here is your angle DOE. Just a second. Here is your angle DOE. So which is in the interior? Point A. Point A is in the interior. So you can write point A is in the interior of angle DOE. You have to write the whole sentence. Then they have asked in the exterior of angle EOF. This is your next angle EOF, which will be the exterior point. So point C is outer, so it is exterior. So you can write point C is the exterior of angle EOF. You have to write the whole sentence. Then the last question, that is on the angle EOF. Which point is there on angle EOF? So it is the point B is on the angle. So we can say that point B is on angle EOF. By this, the whole exercise is completed. You have to do it in your copy. Thank you, children.